You may wish to automate a certain process within Adobe Photoshop, allowing you to save time on repetitive tasks. A macro system called Actions is available for recording simple or complex procedures. In order to access this facility, let's start by choosing the Actions floating palette. If you can't find this on screen, then click on the Window menu item and choose it from the drop-down list. Let's start by creating our first action. Click on the Create New Action button at the bottom of the floating palette to begin. In this tutorial, I'll create an action which will first of all reduce the size of a file and then apply a certain filter to it. Let's start by giving this action a name. It can be anything you want as long as it's memorable. Once you've done this, you can also assign a quick key or function key to this particular action. You can even add a combination of other keys, so when this key is pressed with this combination, then this action will be executed. You can also assign a color to this action, which will help you visually identify it in the future once we've changed modes from Manager mode to Button mode. Once you are comfortable with setup, now it's time to begin recording. Click on the Record button to start. Everything you do from now on will be recorded as a part of the action. You'll see in the Action Manager an item has appeared on the list labeled with the name that you typed in previously. You'll also see that the Record button is currently active, showing you that you are in record mode. Now, let's change our image size by clicking on the Image menu and choosing Image Size from the drop-down list. The Image Size dialog box should now appear. Now if I type in a different measurement and click on OK, you'll see instantly a new item appears in the Actions Manager. If I just expand that menu, a description of this action has been recorded, containing all of the information that we've just typed in. Now let's add a filter to complete this tutorial. I'm going to add the Graphics Pen filter. Click on OK. Once you've done this, it's then time to stop recording. If you click on the Stop Playing Recording button, the action is now complete. In order to make the most of your actions, you are better off changing the visual mode of the action palette by clicking on the small sub-menu and choosing Button Mode from the drop-down list. And there we can see Reduce Size and Filter. Our action has appeared on the action palette as a button, color-coded with a quick key reference. Let us close our existing image and test this button out on another image. Now all I need to do is just click on the button and the action will be executed. Let's have a look at the history palette to see what has happened. We can see after opening, the image size has been changed and the Graphics Pen filter has been added.